people, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, life kind of happened and I had to get some money together to do the new ESC'S in the board, so it's been a while, sorry about that. I'll show you around the board now and then we'll get down that river for a little test, alright? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm filming on my little sort of GoPro style Wolfang camera. In case you was wondering, I've just put you on this so it's quick and easy for me to do this little video test rather than getting out the bigger camera with the gimbal and everything. Okay guys, so I've been ripping out everything, the old installation, battery box, everything else, because these are a little bit bigger. Well, they're a lot bigger than the old ones. So I bought the ZTW 300 amp HVG2 6-to-14 cells and 32-bit, I guess, processor in here. They were kind of easy to get up the road. I found a place really close to me. RC Powerboat Racing is the name of the shop, but I live in the south of France, Côte d'Azur. So anybody that wants these and you live near me, that's the guy to go and see. But I had to do a whole new kind of installation. I've got a little switch now. I've got a little 5-volt battery pack to run my Flip Sky receiver because these don't have a beck built in. So I had to just rig up a kind of a quick way of getting that going. Tried to make it as smart as possible, you know. But yeah, so 2 batteries for the minute testing. I've upgraded my connections. At the minute I'm on the parallel harness, so I haven't upgraded all of them yet, just for testing. On 6S I want to just test with these 2 batteries first. Then I've got the series connections if I want to go to 12S, which, you know, I think we probably will end up doing that. That way I can change, you know, the 4 more that I've got here, the big connections, I can leave them on probably the series. But we'll see. I really want to see this thing going on, I know it's underpowered probably, but 22 volts. I really want to see it sort of pushing me along, you know. And thanks for your comments, guys. All my new subs and comments, you know, I appreciate everything. You know, it's not easy doing these videos sometimes, and life is life, so I'm not as regular as I was. But thanks for all your comments. I had a comment, why didn't I go for a Vesk or 2 Vesks, or, you know, mainly the size. The Vesks were a lot bigger. They were 300 amp also, I think. So I had to kind of, because I made this hatch just as it is, you know, I can't get everything in there. We're going to get down that river. I know you've been probably not waiting, but here we are, finally. We're going to test these ZTW ESC'S out on the electric surfboard, and hopefully I won't get any of that juddering and messing around. Checking all the water, make sure we've got nothing weird going on, and then the next video, hopefully I'll be in the water with it, you know, rolling. Let's get it rolling, guys. Beep, beep, beep. See that light button? That's your button, that's for you, that is. Let's get down the river, check it out, see how much power we got, put the amp meter on it, and see what happens, guys. Exciting times, let's go. Okay people, here we are. I've got my board down in the old river here. I'm powered on and we're just going to get to it. I'm going to plug in and see what happens. I've got the water connections to check everything, make sure we're not leaking. That's 1 beeping. Now I've already calibrated the throttles here, so we should be spinning the right way, we should be working. I've got the amp meter. Okay. We've got water flowing. 28 amps. 37 amps. Water is flowing. That's me. The throttle is very sensitive on this. Now, it's hard to get going because it's got to go down. Okay, we've definitely got water going now. Okay, that feels pretty good to me, guys. Is it enough to push me? I don't really know. 55 amps. Wow. Okay, I'm feeling like we've got power. That's only on 6S as well, so. That's only not a lot of throttle there. 39. $62. 70 amp. Wow, 98 amps there. Now, that's better. Got a little bit of water coming in the back here. I can see a little leak round, tiniest leak round the side here. Nowhere else, so that's good. Wow, okay guys. A little test with these new ESCs. I'm not going to go too mad yet. There they are. At the minute, it's giving me a lot more power. And I feel like I'm going to be, and that wasn't really full. I can't hold it on. I can't really hold it full. So I'll be back with a bit more, and I'll see you on the next one. Hit them buttons, keep watching, keep liking. Lovely jubbly. Keep it raw, keep it wriggling. All right.